Hello and welcome. How are you doing, my friend? Today I like to show you really interesting tool. What is Dremel tools? This bite. What is that one in here? And this is Dremel bite and spare part drill bite number 952, and name is aluminium grinding stone. And there is actually two of those different shapes, that one and then that one. And first we need to take that bite in our hand, and then I have here one little bit used, and I take the first away in here, and there is this grinding bite. It looks like that, and I have a little bit used that because there is this silver color. And then when we have this in our hands, we take our Dremel multi-tool, like this Dremel T3000, and we insert that bite in here, in that way, and then we press that blue button, what locks. And then when I locks, I need to little bit rotate that black area, that I hear this small, that this blue button goes deeper. Okay, now it. Okay, and now when we look that it goes in there in one specific position. Now it's go little bit, like couple of millimeters, and this is locking point, and then I can fasten that metallic area in that way, and so much that I can use like hands. No any tongs are needed. And then when we check that is this fastened, and if we can't take that drill bite away, then it is fine. Okay, and then when we start to use that Dremel 952 bite, we need a couple of safety things. First one is always these safety glasses, because there are rocks and things can hit to our eyes, and it is really important to use these. And then of course always hearing protection is must, because it is not nice to be if we can't hear anything when we are old men or woman. Okay, and then I like to show first that how fantastic is this 9.5, this stone. And there is, I have this rock and stone in here, and then I have also in here little bit metallic plate in here. What I can, this is from car this fender. Then I have also in here some plastic that I can do in here my signs in here. But first I start in this stone, and then remember, if this is very dusty, if there is really much dusty, then we need also this breath protection, that it protects our lungs. Okay, but then I start, and good hint is that we have some pencil, and I have in here this permanent. It is good to be this permanent marker quality, like this art line, and I think that I can do in here like small face, eyes, nose, and now I am planning to do in this stone this my face, and also I can do this same face in this my metallic steel plate. Okay, and first I do this stone, and then metal, and also this works in wood and any materials. Okay, and then I start my job, and I choose the speed like this middle level, and then carefully I start here. this is ready, and then that one. Okay, good. And now those my markings are ready. And what is the best thing when I have do these my paintings in here? The best thing is like in this stone that there is like 1 millimeter deep this painting, and then when I do my markings again, this my markings goes in like in here, these deeper areas, in here and in here, and those deeper, and then when I do these markings they last longer, and I can show that how it is true, because now when I do in here this comparison markings in that way, and then when I test that which one is better, like I clean those away, this goes quite nicely, this is away, but there is still this my face is there within years. Okay, and this was this information how to use this aluminium grinding stone, and final step is to take this head away. First unplug this cable, of course, from electricity, and then press this locking button and then open that in this direction. In that way is rotation. And there is this grinding bit, and look, it is almost new. This is quite durable bite. Okay, and this was this information, and thank you for watching that video, and have a nice day to you.